So, hello guys, I'm Kumar K. Previously, I worked at Amazon and Mia.net as a software engineer, and now I spend most of my time in guiding and training students so they can reach their final goal. Today, I'm going to introduce my very favorite student, Kushman Sanga. She was a beginner when she joined our program in October 2024. She has worked very, very hard in the last 8 to 9 months, and she has one of the highest attendance, 95% in our day live training. And finally, she has cracked off campus SD intern offer from top product based startup delivery. So, let's start this podcast with her. So, hello, Kushman. First of all, congratulations for cracking SD intern off campus offer from delivery. Can you give your small introduction to our audience, Kushman?
Hi everyone. First of all, thank you so much.
Yeah.
My name is Khushman Sangha. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor's of Computer Science and Engineering. I
Okay.
have just finished with my third year, and right now I am STE intern at Delivery.
Okay. Okay. So one more time, congratulations, Kushman. So
Thank
Kushman, like I have written the questions for you here. सबसे first question and the most important question, which the third fourth year students have for you is कि what did you do in off campus to get the interview at delivery and अब जनरली आप ऑफ कैंपस में इतने मन से क्या कर रही थी क्योंकि बच्चों को जनरली नहीं आते ओए इंटरव्यू के लिंक सो व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस व्हाट वर यू डूइंग टू गेट देयर
Yeah, so like from the last 6 months, I have been applying a lot. Like
ओके
every day, I used to spend 1 to 2 hours on LinkedIn and career portals and used to apply. So one important thing like I followed is like Kumar K sir's LinkedIn and resume training.
ओके
So where he trained like how to keep updated your LinkedIn profile and resume. So I did that. And apart from this, I also did the off campus job training, which
ओके
was also included in his course. And
ओके
following that course, I used to apply a lot, and that's how I get it.
सो खुशमन लाइक आप कंटिन्यूअसली रोज 1-2 घंटे के लिए अप्लाई कर रही थी 5-6 मंथ्स के लिए राइट सो
हाँ
अब
कि
आप
मैं
सच सच बताओ उसमें से कितने परसेंटेज थे मतलब एप्लीकेशंस थे जो रिजेक्ट हो रहे थे और कितने पास हो रहे थे रेशियो जानना है
So, like every day, I used to get a lot of rejections, like 5 to 6 rejections,
ओके
and I really feel demotivated, like seeing those rejections. But still, then I keep applying, like with the only one hope that one day I will get a reply from a company.
ओके
So, like a lot of rejections I faced.
ओके
Still, then I got a one reply from delivery.
Okay, great job, Kushman. So, yeah, like, iska final conclusion is that the mindset of student needs to be very strong if they are
Yeah.
from tier 3, tier 4 college and if they want off-campus internship and job, right, Kushman?
Yeah, really.
Okay.
It's very important. Go with the flow and keep applying.
Okay, thank you, Kushman. Kushman, so let's discuss about delivery. Delivery में कैसे interview आया? What was the process? What did you do to get interview there?
Yeah, I used to apply on like a lot of WhatsApp or Telegram
Hmm?
groups. So that's how I get the link and I applied there.
Okay.
And after like 10 days, I get a call from HR to schedule my interviews. So
Okay.
that's how I get it.
ओके ओके सो जब आपको डिलीवरी का लाइक इंटरव्यू आ गया था तो आप उसके पहले कितना प्रिपेयर्ड फील कर रही थी रिगार्डिंग योर डीएसए डेव लाइक आपका फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू हो रहा होगा ऑफ कैंपस राइट
Yeah, yeah, we feel like I felt like nervous also, like it was my first interview.
ओके
So I was nervous, but I'm like prepared everything, like I
ओके
go through the all the concepts.
या
So yeah, it was nervous, but it was good.
ओके खुशमन सो खुशमन लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू ओके सो खुशमन ये बताओ कि फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू का ड्यूरेशन क्या था और स्टार्टिंग से बताना आप चालू करो कि फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू में क्या हो रहा था व्हेन यू वेंट देयर
Okay, so my first round was a technical round. It went for around 45 minutes.
ओके
And in the first round, the interviewer asked me the DSA question,
ओके
and it was really hard. Like the problem revolved around the 2 pointers, greedy and mathematics.
ओके
And like at the first sight, I didn't get the question. After like 2 3 minutes, I framed like how I get a correct approach. Then I solved the question, discussed the brute force approach,
ओके
then moved on to the writing the like
गुड
optimized approach.
ओके सो लाइक इंटरव्यू में पूरा कोड लिखना लाइक इन मैनी इंटरव्यूज यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट स्टूडेंट्स जस्ट टेल द अप्रोच और हो जाता है तो आपके इंटरव्यू में क्या था अप्रोच लिखने का कोड भी लिखना पड़ रहा था और इज जस्ट सेइंग अप्रोच वाज इनफ इन योर इंटरव्यू
No, no. Like first we discuss the brute force approach.
ओके
Then we need to write the or like whole code of the
Also,
optimized
for the
approach. It's important.
okay, for the efficient approach, also you need to write the full code, right? And
Yeah,
it should
full code.
pass all the edge cases, right? It should be totally correct, right?
Yeah, like
Okay.
you have to discuss every edge case.
Okay.
Like it's important.
So like you were not expecting a hard question in the first round only, right? But it
Yeah.
came and you handled it. Okay, great job. So after this, like things were done or something more was there in the interview apart from DSA?
Yeah, apart from the DSA question, they like asked me really hard SQL queries.
Okay.
Like you need to be very clear with the concept of SQL queries. You need to be like you need to practice a lot of questions. So yeah, they asked me a hard queries, but I end up solving that queries because I really practiced a lot of them before,
Okay.
and that was it. Then they moved on to the CS fundamentals. Like you have to be very clear with the concept of CS fundamentals,
Okay.
be it OS or CN. You have to be like clear with the concepts beforehand.
Okay, so like the conclusion is that the student needs to have very deep in-depth knowledge of CS fundamentals and SQL. If they
Yeah,
try to do that shortcut preparation, which is बस ऊपर से छोटे छोटे इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन आंसर पढ़ ले, that's not enough, right? Deep
yeah.
knowledge is needed, right?
Shortcuts will not work. You have to be very clear with the
Okay,
concepts.
okay, okay. So once the first round was done, Kushman, tell me, like when did they tell you कि you have passed the first round?
Yeah, in the evening they just mailed me that I have qualified for the second round,
Okay,
and day after tomorrow then I had my
okay,
next
okay.
interview.
So like उन्होंने आपको evening में बता दिया. It means they were very impressed with your performance, right?
Yeah.
So in the second round, tell me like what it was. It was a hiring manager round or what it was about?
Yeah, it was like taken by the higher engineering manager.
Okay,
It was a mix of technical and managerial round.
okay,
So in that interview, he asked me about the like medium problem, DSA problem.
okay.
Then
And
like
this
he
time, like, sorry to interrupt. This time, did you have to write code or just saying approach was enough?
no, like I have to write the full code as well.
Okay, so you did it from brute force to optimal again, right?
Yeah, then discussion on the time complexity as well.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Then we moved on to the CS fundamentals,
Hmm.
and where we discussed about the concept of OS. That was it. Then we moved on to the hard SQL queries.
Yeah, yeah. And in OS also, you were saying that you were discussing about deadlock and memory swapping. So anything about that you want to say?
Yeah, I would like to say you have the deep understanding of the concepts. Like it's not like just you know the like what I would say.
Like memorize कर लिया तो नहीं
Huh.
चलेगा, समझ
Just
में आता
memorizing the things will not work. You have
है.
the deep understanding of the real life scenarios.
Okay.
That's really important. You should have deep understanding how in real life it all works.
Okay.
Then we moved on to a tricky puzzle.
Okay, so
Like
still things were left. They asked you DSA also. They asked you hard SQL also. I've written it. They asked you hard level OS also. But
yeah,
still something is left. Still they are asking you more questions, right?
yeah, they asked me a tricky puzzle.
Okay.
So after like 5 to 10 minutes, I like solved that puzzle.
Okay.
So it
Now,
was really
one more
tricky.
thing I want to ask. Did you know the answer to it or you had to get it yourself?
No. I had no clue. Like I have never practiced the puzzles,
Okay.
but then like
Yeah.
after like thinking, then I get to a correct approach.
Yeah, yeah. So your presence of mind is very good. Congratulations. So, like ये इंटरव्यू होने के like आपको कितनी देर बाद पता चल गया कि आप सेलेक्ट हो चुकी हो?
Yeah, in the evening they like
Okay.
in the evening they told me I got shortlisted.
Okay, okay. So congratulations one more time, Kushman.
Yeah, thank you.
So Kushman, now the second last question is
Yes.
that your journey. Yeah. So many people want to know कि Kushman, like how did she start coding? When did she start learning? What is the coding journey of Kushman? तो वो आप थोड़ा समझाना चालू करो, Kushman.
तो मैं यही कहूंगी like in the first year I did nothing. I was from like non-coding
You're
background.
from
I am
coding background. Yeah.
Yeah, I was zero at coding. I didn't know anything. Then in first year I didn't like did any much. But in the second year I started doing DSA. I used to practice, but I was really confused. Like every day I feel like giving up.
Okay.
Like there was not a proper structure. Like I was not able to understand the DSA problems. Then in the third year I get to know about the Kumar Kesar course, and then I finally know the structured way. Like I then followed the structured path, how to do the problems. Then I get a clear mind, and then I started the beginner course of him, wherein I started solving the HackerRank problems.
Okay.
Then after doing the beginner course, I really felt confidence.
Okay.
And one more thing I would like to add, I used to attend his daily live sessions wherein I clear my doubts.
Okay.
So that was the one important thing that worked for me.
Yeah. And after your beginner course was completed, then what did you start, Kushman?
Yeah, after doing the beginner course, I really felt confident. Then I moved to the pro batch,
Okay.
wherein I used to practice a lot of TSA problems, then previous year OAs,
Yeah.
and you attend your daily live sessions. That
Yeah,
worked
yeah.
for me.
So like there are many OACP problems there, so you must have practiced a lot and improved your thinking skills, right?
Yeah, solving like previous year OAs really helped me.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, great work done, Kushman. So
Yeah.
Kushman, the next question is ki okay. So like students want to know about this from you. Okay. So the question is that the third, fourth year people which are asking you is that we are applying a lot off campus. We do not get any selection for OA or interview. We keep on getting rejected. We feel very negative. Also in the AI era, we think that the jobs are not there. So like we are very depressed, and our college is tier 3, tier 4. So what to do? What is your guidance?
Yeah, I can really feel the pain. Like in today's era, it's really difficult to get an off-campus job. But one thing I would like to say is keep applying. Like
Okay.
no matter you get rejections, but keep applying. I used to like do the off-campus training as told by you,
Okay.
like doing your LinkedIn and resume update. Keep updated with the LinkedIn profile and resume so that the recruiters can reach you. It really helps. So
Okay.
it's one important thing. Keep your resume, LinkedIn, keep
Okay.
up to date.
Mhm.
Then one important thing is do apply. Like you will feel definitely feel like giving up, but no, that's not the case. Do apply, keep applying. Like I used to apply 2 to 3 hours. I used to give every day on applying,
Okay.
even if I get a lot of rejections every day. I like really feel depressed, but still then with the only one hope that one day I will get. And yes, definitely you will get after a lot of hard work. Do it and you will get it.
So the basic conclusion is, Kushman, that the student needs to try a lot, right, for a long time.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, one more question is that Kushman, how did you like? Students are generally like in tier 3, tier 4 college or even a good college. They have lots of college work, college assignment. They have to attend college also. So in that, how did you get time to prepare for off-campus internship and job, Kushman? And that's
हाँ
the
तो
question for many people to you.
या ये तो मैं समझ सकती हूँ लाइक कॉलेज में 9 to 4 इट्स रियली हेक्टिक हो जाता है प्रैक्टिस करना पर हाँ ऐसा ही होता है असाइनमेंट्स होती हैं कॉलेज का वर्क होता है काफी सारा बट देन एट नाइट आई यूज टू प्रैक्टिस I used to do my work. I used to practice at night. And even at the weekends, I used to practice a lot. Like, I didn't get time to enjoy much. So, you have to do all those things. It's really important.
Okay, okay. So, Kushman, you have done lots of hard work. Once again, we congratulate for you
Thank
the great offer which you have cracked. Hopefully, this podcast will help many students in third, fourth year who are
you.
watching this and they will be inspired from you. So, thank you, Kushman, for attending the podcast. Thank you.
Thank you.